Isibalo sabantu abahlala eSouth Africa sikhula ukuya phambili ngasikhathi sidlula nokukhula komnotho wenarha le. Ngokuya kweziko lembalobalo leSouth Africa, abantu abanengi enarheni le babantu abatsha hlangana komnyaka ka-1996 bekube nje. Izikweli batsho nokufumaneka kwemijoga yepilo efana neyokugungobalisa ubukhali bengogwana yendumbano nganakho kuyasebenza ngombana abantu abanengi sele baphila isikhathi eside njenganje. Isifunda seGauteng sirakela phambili nokuba sifunde sinabantu abanengi khulu enarheni le abadlula ikota yesibalo senarha le yonke. Silandelo isifunda saKwaZulu Natal neJingana ngaKapa ngesibalo sabantu abanengi. Nanyana kunjalo ukukhula komnotho wenarha le bekusolo kuriyada kunobangela ukukhula khulu kwesibalo sabantu bekwangezelela ukwehla ngogwana engimapopisa i-coronavirus.
In the last 4-5 years, our population has grown by about almost 3.5 million people, and I'm talking generally in the whole country, whereas our economy has been fluctuating and actually having been hit the most by COVID-19. So population has continued to grow, but our economy in real terms has gone back to where it was around 2017.
Ijima lokubala abantu lisiza imphathimandla ukuhlela nokuthatha inqundo ezifaneleko ngehlangothini lokuletha izenzelo ezifaneleko emphakathini. Esinye isazi sezetuthuko sithi nanyana enarha le isebenze ngamandla ukuletha izenzela nezevikeleko enarheni yedemocracy lenje kodwana kuneke okusafuna kwenziwe ukufeza amanye amahlelo nendingo zabantu benarha le.
We are still living with load shedding and so on. Also in terms of jobs have not mirrored demographic growth, which is a big problem because we now have 35 million unemployed South Africans. COVID-19 has exacerbated those precarities.
Ukukhula msinya kwesibalo sabantu benarha le ukudlula ukukhula komnotho ngenye yezinto ezingezelela iintjhijilo zenarha le. Izazi zithi iSouth Africa kufuze ihlomise ilutha lenarha le ngefundo efaneleko ukwenzela ukuletha amakhono ofundwa azokuthuthukisa umnotho wenarha le.